Hello students, welcome back to Information and Technology of class 11. Here we will see in unit number 1, that is the computer organization, the characteristics of the computer. This topic will be discussed today. There are various characteristics that makes a computer much more better as compared to another electronic devices. So let us see some of the characteristics that makes it good as compared to others. So the first characteristic, as you can see here, is the speed of the computer. The speed of the computer is much more as compared to any other electronic device. The speed is measured in terms of MIPS, that is millions of instructions per second. Okay, so you can just imagine how many instructions are going into the computer's memory for processing in a particular second itself, and it processes and the desired output we receive from it. It is measured in the term which is called as baud, BAUD. So it is the unit for measurement of the speed of the computer. The second characteristic is the versatility. Versatility means the ability of the computer to do various jobs with ease at the same time. As in a particular time, if we want to type anything, we type using a word pad or a notepad or MS Word, and then we decide that we have to do a painting or a Photoshop editing. We just minimize it and we do our painting work or editing work. After that, suppose again we decide to insert a particular picture inside that Word document. Just have to maximize it and put it using the insert menu. So this is the way that we do multiple tasks. Versatility can also be termed as multitasking, which is possible in case of a computer. The next one is the accuracy of the computer. You know that the computer performs various jobs at the same time with high speed. But even though it does the job at a very high speed, the output you get in return is highly accurate. There are no chance of errors. There is a possibility that you make some mistake while giving in the input. Based on that input is the output that you receive. It means if you gave a particular input to a computer and the input is a wrong one and you expect another output from it and you don't get it, it means that you have given a wrong input, which is also termed as garbage. This phenomena is referred to as GIGO, that is garbage in, garbage out. That means if you give in a wrong instruction as an input, you won't get the desired output. You will get a garbage value, which is a wrong value. But the accuracy of the computer is very high as compared to any other electronic devices. The next noteworthy feature of the computer is diligence. Diligence means it can perform various tasks, or you can also say a single task multiple times. If suppose you want to play a song, the same song you keep on playing n number of times, the computer will do it for you. It won't stop. If you want to perform addition of 2 and 3, you get the answer 5, but still again you want to perform the addition of the same number, it will do for you. It won't get bored. N number of times you ask it to perform the same task, it will do it for you with same accuracy every time without complaining that you are giving it the same job over and over again. So this property is called as diligence. The next characteristic of the computer is its memory. The computer's main memory is also called as the volatile memory. It is lost when we switch off the computer. Therefore, the computer has been provided with a secondary memory also, so that we can store our data in it and the data does not get erased when the power supply is switched off. So this kind of secondary memories are your floppy disk, pen drives, hard disk, etc. Depending upon the work or the data to be stored, we can increase the secondary memory of the computer as per our requirement. This is the other thing, that is the storage. It is related to the memory itself, as I told you earlier, that is the amount of data and information can be stored in a computer for future retrieval. Human memory, as you know, it's limited and fades away with time. Since our memory keeps on fading with our age, etc. But it's not true for the case of a computer. The last property is the intelligence. In the early days, although the computers possessed striking characteristics, yet there were several drawbacks also, that they were merely dumb machines, etc., to perform various tasks only. But with the advent of this artificial intelligence, now you can imagine just the cars, etc., the vehicles are just programmed by the computers and they don't require a manual driver. You can see the game of chess in your computer. It is intelligent enough to play with you as a multiplayer, and it is programmed using the artificial intelligence concept. The Google Assistant, all these are artificial intelligence. So nowadays the computer are intelligent enough to perform various tasks. These are the various characteristics that makes the computer a much more reliable device rather than other electronic devices. Thank you.